Hi friends, this is kit reveal day for scrapbookingstore.com for July 2020. And I would have to say, I think they hit it out of the park with this one. I am so jazzed. Ugh, the colors are so bright and happy. Let me talk about it. Okay, so it's Best Summer Ever by Jen Allison. It's an Echo Park paper collection kit. And let's see, contains 12 by 12 double-sided papers and a 12 by 12 element sheet. So let's get into it. So I'm on the design team, so they send this to me. So this is technically advertising. I am advertising this adorable collection to you. And apparently Echo Park is made in America because it says right here. So I have the main kit, which is what this is. And I also have the upgrades, which I will show you after the main kit. So let's go through these papers. It's all the same collection, so I don't have to keep saying Echo Park, blah, blah, blah. So our first sheet has all these adorable swimsuits. And now let's look at these colors. We have a really great deep saturation with these magenta pinks and yellows and this beyond gorgeous, is it periwinkle? Is it, I don't know, but there's definitely a bit of an indigo kind of vibe. Oh my goodness, I love this. I absolutely love this. First of all, I love it because it's a white background. I like white best. But look at all the little plus signs. So this paper is called Fun in the Sun. The next paper, it is called Journaling Cards. So this one has all of these great balloons. So looks like it's a bit of a water balloon fight because there's water there. And then we have journaling cards. So we have a bit, wait, the best thing about summer. So I actually was calling this a roach coach from way back in the day when I used to work somewhere. But we have a cute little food truck. The best summer ever. Hello summer. Sunny days are here. Sweet with a pineapple. We have swimmies. Yum. Cute little flamingo on that paper. I am loving summer and ice cream. You scream. That's cute. Oh, this is adorable. So this is flamingos. A really great melon. A great little melon kind of, yeah, nice clean design. So that's great. You know, a gingham for a background and tons of adorable flamingos. That is so cute. So let's see, maybe I'll put it here to break up these whites. Want to make sure we can see them. So the next one we have, it's called Sunny Days. So we have very vibrant spring green topped pineapples. And then this side has all kinds of summery icons and it is so cute. I would probably use it in a strip, but it is so cute. The next paper, and these collections have 12 papers. The next collection is called Multi Journaling Cards. So these look like party decorations and they are gorgeous. I would like to go to that party. And this is another set of ridiculously cute cut-aparts. So we have 3x4s, but then we also have some of these, what are they, 2x2s? So those are beyond awesome. Stay cool again. I think that's really cute. So we have that. Now I feel like I've seen this print before. Okay, Sunshine Floral, really great pink tone on tone, great background paper. And this is a super cute, bold floral design, perfect for people who love to detail cut. So cute. Next paper is My Heart. So it's called Food Trucks. So we have these great, it looks like painted lines. Oh, my background. Okay. And then this has food trucks. Now the shame about this is I was supposed to go to a food truck festival and they had to cancel it. It's true. That would have been so awesome for that. Next, another great background. So this is called Sweet Treats, a very, very thin, gosh, what is that? Is it aqua? Is it mint green? Kind of mint. It's kind of this color and white. And then the other side is Every Popsicle You Have Ever Wanted. That is adorable. Next, we have another gingham, and this is in a really deep yellow. It's called Good Vibes. And then the back side has lots and lots of icons again. So this is such a fun collection. Okay, So next we are on Summer Words. So this is a really nice strong Barbie pink with ice cream cones, and they're going on a really cool diagonal. It makes me want to cut, you know, a slice going that way. And then this has every summer word you want to come up with. So it's super awesome. That's really cool. Love that tone. Alrighty. This one is called Border Strips. So white background with slices of watermelon everywhere. And then voila, there are border strips. And I am going to run out of room soon because we have so many papers. Okay, last paper. So this is a much more blown up gingham in this gorgeous, gorgeous kind of periwinkle color. It's called Sunnies because this side has sunnies. Oh, that's so cute. Okay, so these are our papers. Is it even possible for me to show you each side? Or, you know, do the flippy thing? I don't know. So here's one side. This is not going to go well. There are a lot of papers here. And then here is, oh, let me do it this way. And here is the other side. Wow, is there a lot going on? Okay, and then the sticker sheet that comes with this is gorgeous. So there's a slight sheen on it, which is fun. We've got border sticker, we've got banners. This that says cool in the pool, that is awesome. Little ice cream truck, there's little words and floral elements. Cute little, I mean, look at that barbecue. It is in magenta. Cute little mixy drinks and balloon pieces. So this is beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. So this is the main kit. Now, I also am lucky enough to get the upgrades. So let me show you what we got for the upgrades. The first thing we have is Best Summer Ever, same as this kit here. We've got the entire set of the chipboard, which is amazing. So we get to have a lot of dimension. Sunny days are here again. I do believe it's time for adventure. Great little popsicles, flamingos, and look, they're facing in two different directions. That would be so cute on a page. And we have a frame with a, looks like about a 2x2 square, who knows. But I also like that they have these itty bitty little pieces to pop into your clusters, so that's adorable. We have these great enamels by Dear Lizzie, and there are floral shapes and cute little hearts there, and then there are four different size little tiny circle enamels. Let me make sure that's coming in well enough. How cute is that? Oopsie, that is beyond cute. That's like cuteness. Okay, we have that. And then I'm going to push this over just a little bit so I can show you this on the black of my desk. We have a set by Pebbles of ephemera. There are 40 pieces. So I will go like this to start, and then I'll pull them all out. Now the top set says 10 pieces with glitter and then 30 cardstock pieces. And they're in one of these waterfall packs. Let us see, let us see. And they're, and it's called Oh Summertime by Pebbles. Good to know. So let me get these open for you and show you all of the goodness. Okay, so here are the glittery pieces to start. This is, it says, too cool for the pool. How cute is that? And I'm not getting fallout from these glitter pieces, which is super awesome. This one says thanks, which is great if you need to make a little card. Let me move that. We have Squeeze the Day, which is awesome with a little lemon. Splish Splash. Hello. Dive on in. Happy Day. The world is your oyster. See, it's a cute little oyster shell. Might be the cutest chubby little bee. Let's have a ball. Hooray. Just relax. I need some vitamin C. Oh, and by the way, if you look at this and you look at that tone that's in the swimsuit, let me go like this. It's a perfect color match, even though they're two different collections, which is awesome. Hello, dear. We have this little Hello Fishtail piece. Oops, Sunny Days. We have Happy Day. Enjoy. Today is your day. And Let's Flamingo. And then from the larger set, or the larger pieces, it's all in the same set. The larger pieces has, oh my goodness, Sunshine. We've got some glittery bits. Refresh, and these have some glitter on them as well. This is my Happy Place with some sparkles. Enjoy Yourself, same thing. And then these are flat. Orange You Sweet. Thanks. Oh, Summertime. Sweet Summer Memories. Happy. Look at how cute that is with the pineapple. Wish You Were Here. Let's see. Summer is Made for Friends. Thank you. It's Summer. YOLO. Take a picture. It will last longer. Like we don't do that. Summer Vibes. Hi. Look at him. He's so cute. And yes, I've decided it's a him. He's so cute. Sweet Summer with the cherries. In case you get up to Traverse City, that will work. Summer Dream. And hello. He's a little crabby. So that is the main kit and the upgrades. I will leave links down below to where you can get your kit as well as my affiliate link. You do not have to use the affiliate link. Only use it if you choose. It will help to support my channel, and that would be the bee's knees to me. But if you don't want to, that's cool too. I'm hip. But I will leave the links down below where you can see where you can get this kit. And then also come check out what we are doing in our Facebook group and play along with us and all that kind of thing, because we have a ball and you can see what other projects we have going on. And also, I mean, you'll see what the design team's up to and all of that great stuff. So I will see you later, friends. If you have any questions, comments, anything, leave it down below and I'll get right back to you. All right, bye.